Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
But thanks to First Republic Mortgage Bankers, I'm very grounded here in New York City with, of course, investments down here. Also, got to say much respect to what it is that he has been doing for the community out there. And remember, folks, we're here to really continuously bring you information about real estate financing. And this man right now is going to be speaking with you in a few minutes. Don't go anywhere. Just take a listen to him. Don't call yet. Just take a listen to him, and then you can call him and find out if he truly can help you, all right? So just got to say much respect to each and everyone out there. So, Eddie, how can you help these people, seeing that you're a loan officer from First Republic Mortgage Bankers? I'm not going to start it. I'm going to let you start it today.
All right. This is, Squeeze, this is as good as it gets. I mean, you know, the word is out now because a lot of the listeners have been lining up. The banks are real crowded on the weekends, I'm noticing. We've been real busy. I mean, this is a historic event when rates come down this much. And people, let's face it, they've had some issues with their mortgages the last couple of years. Some of them got into mortgages that they probably shouldn't have gotten into. But we all make mistakes the first time through. But First Republic has been correcting a lot of those situations. And with the low interest rates and the real estate market where it is right now, it's real beneficial for either the first-time home buyer to take advantage of these ridiculously low rates or just to refinance and get rid of those credit card debts. I mean, like I said, you know, there are a lot of people coming in each day, calling in, but there's a lot of people out there, Squeeze, that are still sitting on the fence, and we can't figure out why those listeners haven't acted, because this is really a great opportunity. And even if you've been told by other banks or institutions that have said, you know what, we can't help you, let us take a second look. Get a second opinion. Make believe it's your health. It's your financial health. So really, you should be on that page of saying, you know what, I need a second opinion on this. Can I get into a better situation for 2008 and be more financially secure for myself and my family? You really have to act, though. It doesn't, and by acting, all I'm saying is to call us over here at the studio or call us at the bank. It's real simple. We make the process so streamlined that there's no stress in dealing with First Republic. If we can help you, we're going to run with it. If we can't help you, and there are cases that we cannot help individual borrowers, we will tell you up front. And sometimes what we'll do is we'll put you on a plan to help you 3 months, 6 months, a year from now. But at least you have a plan. If you don't have a plan, you have nothing. So try to get your financial well-being in order in the earlier part of this year, especially with these rates. If you were thinking about refinancing in 2008, really, Squeeze, it doesn't get any better than this. I mean, I remember doing rates 9, 10%. These rates are in the 5% range now. So people can really save a lot of money, burn up those credit cards. You know, I've been doing this a long time, and the people that come in, most of the people that have issues with their financial situations are ones that have 6, 7, 8 accounts. The guy that comes through the door and says, I just want to loan my payment, that's an easy one. We can do that. But the person that's really in trouble, I found over the last several years, are people that just accumulate debt, credit card debt, and paying 20 to 30% interest on these cards, and they're not acting on it. And they're saying, well, I don't want to add it to my mortgage. But, debt is debt. Make it a positive debt, meaning mortgage debt at 5%, and then get a tax write-off on it and put more money in your pocket. It's like giving yourself a raise, an income raise. So really, you really have to take note. This is a great time to do that with the rates being as low as they are. Get your credit cards together. Bring them over to the bank. Let us come to you. Give us a call. You can call me in studio today at 718-325-5555, and that's 718-325-5555. And one other thing I want to mention is we're having a free home buying and refinancing seminar, the FHA Secure Plan. There's been a lot of changes with refinancing, and we're going to be having them next Monday at February 11th at 7 p.m., and that's at 333 Adams Street, Brooklyn, New York. Again, Monday night is going to be in Brooklyn, the Brooklyn Marriott, and Tuesday we're going to be over here in the Bronx at Eastwood Manor at 7 p.m. And the address for the Eastwood Manor is 3371 East Chester Road, Bronx, New York. And hopefully a lot of people will come over there with their mortgage statements, and we'll be able to help them and save them a lot of money. At least that's the goal.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.